Mbukeli stethu uhle TV sakubingelelo osukwini kanti sikuphathele zona yilo udaba lolu lungeluhle kahle udaba olubika ukudlula emhlabeni kwaloyo wazakhela igama ngesikhathi edlala eqenjini leKaizer Chiefs nophinde wazakhela igama elikhulu ngesikhathi eseyi-football analyst laphana ke ku-SABC 1 owaziwa ngokuthi uSimphiwe Mkhonza kanti abathandi bebhola bazomazi ngokuba ubedume ngelika Dr Mnandi kanti sokhumbula ukuthi ubephinda bonakale nasohlelweni lika-Andile Mncube laphana ku-Metro FM aphinde futhi abela kuma-Soccer Zone njalo ngomsombuluko uma ngabe ku-analyzwa esports. Mbukeli stethu uhle TV bese sithola indaba zokuthi usukwini lanamhlanje wedlulile emhlabeni uSimphiwe Mkhonza ngemva kokugula kanti ke wangena esibhedlela waphinde walulama nobese kuletha ithemba eliningi kubantu abamthandayo nakubathandi bebhola nokuphinde kwezwakala ukuthi ushonele esibhedlela ekuseni namhlanje. Nophinde kwavela ukuthi udlule emhlabeni neminyaka engu-44 kanti sisilethe uhle TV sidlulisa amazwi enduduzo sithi nje ulala uphumule Simphiwe Mkhonza nomndeni engathi ungathola ukuphola ezinhlizweni uNkulunkulu awuqinisa upholise amanxeba nanso-ke ividiyo sekuphathele yona esicaphunile imisebenzi yakhe bekade yenza lapha emhlabeni ungakhohlwa ncofoza subscribe button ukuze siqhubeke sikwethulele zonke ezingenayo.
It becomes a problem.
Coach ka YouTube.
Babaningi.
Bapaya.
Ba coach ka YouTube.
Yeah, ama drill mawuthi uyacheka i-drill ya ku YouTube and angithi for every drill that you do
But
yes, topic yakho session some they go to the topic ku YouTube and look at okay how do we do pressing as example and then we can see ukuthi le YouTube and amaplayer manje ahlakaniphile because they Google nabo bayabona ukuthi awandile ngathi udlala ngathi la leyo ibambe ku YouTube le.
No.
I promise you. Bafethu.
Andile, maybe to chip in with something very important to mention as well. While we're looking at the elite PSL standards, the biggest problem we also have is at grassroots level and youth level, where a lot of coaches even don't have the D licenses. Hence, you see SAFA pushing in terms of the coach education. Because I always tell coaches, and I'm a coach educator, by the way, at SAFA, and I always said to the coaches without a license, actually, that you are not a coach, you are a colleague. Because why would you allow, in our education system, why wouldn't we allow a teacher without a teaching minimum standard to be able to go teach in the schools? And even us as parents, by the way, if I go to a school and my kid is there and there's a teacher who's not qualified, who's got a bogus qualification, I'll jump in and go pull my kid out and question the principals as to why are you employing someone who doesn't have the standard for teaching?